All right, welcome back. We are on level 6 of lesson 19. So this one is another prediction, and it says changing velocity with position. One advantage to using the velocity blocks inside conditionals, if blocks, is that your sprite keeps moving even after the condition stops being true. For example, you only had to press a key once to start the color wheel spinning, and it kept spinning forever. The code below uses if statements to make a fish sprite move in different directions. So do this. Look at the if statements that check the sprite's position and set its velocity. With your partner, discuss what you think the code will do and write your answer below. Once you have submitted your answer, run the code. All right. So remember, we have to type in our prediction before we can run it. So we have to figure this out on our own. It says variable fish gets create sprite. So we're setting up our fish sprite. It's fish R. Okay. So fish dot velocity x gets 2. So that means that it is going to go across the screen 2 pixels every frame rate until it finally gets over here. All right. So the background's going to be blue if the fish dot x. So if the fish moving this way or this way is less than 0. All right. So if it's less than over here, then fish, that animation fish R, fish dot velocity x gets 2. So if it's over here, if it's less than 0, then it's going to move this way. If the fish x is greater than 400, if it's over here, if it goes off the screen on this side, then it is going to go -2. So fish L. So the fish is going to turn around. So we're going to see it flip-flop, mirror image, and then it's going to go, and it's going to go this way. All right? So that's what I think is going to happen. If the fish falls off the screen on the left, it is going to turn around and start swimming to the right. If the fish falls off the screen to the right, it is going to turn around and start swimming back towards the left. All right, I think that's what's going to happen. So with that, I'm going to lock in my answer by pressing the run button because, again, once you press the run button, you can't change this. This is what the teacher's going to see. So we're going to click the run button, locked in. Okay, it's swimming, 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 and there we go. So once it hits the side, it's going to turn around. Now, yep. All right, so we got the prediction done, and it's time to move on to level 7. I'll see you there.